I'm going to preface this episode just by saying that I got a new microphone on Amazon. I thought it was going to be the move. It was like a little lapel mic, and I didn't do a whole lot of testing on it. And it sucks because I started building the frame. The wheel came in, so I filmed this one. And then it wasn't until I got a lot of progress done on this that I realized that the quality of that audio is not that great. It distorts. I think I just talk too loud, honestly. And then it would keep turning off. Either it would turn off or I would forget to turn it on, and then it has a receiver on the back of the camera. When the audio turned off, I would lose a bunch of audio. So this video and next video, there's going to be some audio issues. I did pick up a new Rode mic, so there shouldn't be any issues with audio going forward. So anyway, I hope you enjoy me struggling with a drag slick. I'm in the middle of ripping this frame apart, and my new rear tire came in. It's a Mickey Thompson front drag slick for like race car. I wanted something skinny and I wanted something tall, and the tallest you can get is this is it for a 15 motorcycle wheel. They're like 25 and a half inches tall. This is 27 and a half inches tall. It's 2 inches higher. It's 4.5 inches wide, which is an inch and a half narrower than the 150 I was going to put on here. And it was on sale for $176. I think after taxes shipped to my door, it was $186. I got some tire spoons. I've never changed a motorcycle wheel before. I think it's a good time to learn. Sticking with the doing things as cheap as possible, I'm going to try to change this tire by myself. And we're going to do a tubeless conversion. I've got some silicone and some Flex Seal. I've got a valve stem tool. Ignore the mess in the garage. How do I get that out of there? This guy right here. Right? There we go. So you pull the valve stem. I want as much thread as possible. Okay. See, that's as far as that goes. I need to watch that video again because I can't remember what I'm supposed to do here. Okay, I found a 2x4 and I put it on underneath. Now I can focus all the clamping just on one side because that is definitely on the rim on the other side. This wants to slide over the rim, so I gotta pull it back. There. Can't go any further. I have a feeling this is going to be a massive pain in the ass. Oh, there we go. It just went. This whole thing just went. There we go. That wasn't actually that bad. Gotta do it again to this side. There we go. Just kind of goes. Yeah, and then it just falls off. Now my rim's loose. The reason I'm doing this now is because I want to get these spokes sealed up. By the time that's done setting, the silicone's done setting, and I can get the wheel back on. I should be done on here, and I can get the wheel in the frame to set the crossbars. I just went and spent $6 on a valve stem tool, and my friggin' spoons came with one. Fuck! Could have bought a coffee with that. $6, man. Gonna spray the shit out of this. There was a guy in Princess Auto when I was buying these this morning. He saw that I had tire spoons, and he wished me luck, because he said he'd never do it again. So we'll see. That's the case. Dirt bike tire is what he said he did it on. I don't think a dirt bike tire is going to be as easy as... There we go. There we go. We'll get a third one in here. Oh man, this is not super sweet, but... There we go. A little there. Okay, maybe Buddy was right. Maybe this does suck. Can't get them in. Oh, there we go. It's hard because it's pulling the rim or the tire into the rim, so you can't get your spoon in there. Get in there, you little fucker. There we go. Nice. Whew. It's a workout. There we go. One side off. I have a feeling this part's gonna suck. Gotta get it into the... Oh, you know what? Not bad. Does a guy keep running these protectors, or do I care? Like, really? Who gives a shit? I'm not even on the wood at this point. Maybe we'll go down with these a little bit. Get this guy in. I blame this on the Princess Auto guy. This is all his fault. Okay, we gotta try to get... Ouch! Fucker! Ooh! God damn it. Okay, let's get this guy out. Oh, I keep hurting myself. Fuck. Oh, God damn it. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I thought, hey, it would be cool to learn a new skill for YouTube. And now I'm bleeding, and I'm mad. I want to be building a frame, not changing frickin' tires. Oh, I gotta do something about this blood. After all that fucking around, I tried it once more, and I got it in like 10 seconds. So I got one in, and I got the other one in, and then I just leaned on the tire, and I just used my palm and hammered that other spoon in there, and it popped off. Oh my god. Okay, I dinged up the rim there a little bit, but she's Honda Shadow, so... Oh my god. Kind of running out of usable workspace here. I gotta work on this table. Let's cut this guy off. We'll clean this out. Just gonna Scotch-Brite it, and then I'm gonna brake clean the shit out of this. I gotta sealant every single spoke. I might just spray it with Windex. Help loosen stuff up. Figure the cleaner this is, the better chance I'll have of success. The hole for the valve stem, I'm gonna have to drill that out to accept the tubeless valve stem that I got. But this thing's gonna polish up nice, I bet. Other than my dent. Fuck! Yeah, so I'll get the buffer out, the wire wheel, just to get that rust off, and then it'll be, I think, a little bit better. Stop some of the rust anyway. Right there. Looks way better. And then we'll use the air compressor, blow it all out. In theory, this should get rid of all the water and stuff in the spokes. I like to say in theory a lot, I noticed. Does that mean I have no idea what I'm doing? I got some silicone, RTV. I'm gonna silicone the shit out of this. It's just really hard to find a tire tube that's 27.5 inches tall. The ones I saw on the internet, they did way better of a job than I just did. I'm a welder, not a fucking wheel technician, am I right? Put some flex tape on there. Worked mint. Gonna install my new valve stem. I don't know the best way to push this through. Oh man. Get in there. I gotta do this shit, and then I gotta get the tire on. Like, that's gonna be fun. And then I gotta seat the bead. But fuck, we're gonna look cool. I don't know the best way to push this through. Everything about this has been hard. I'm gonna put this metal valve cap on there, and I'm gonna push this through, and I'm gonna pull it with pliers, because I don't have a valve stem pulling tool. Getting a spit on this. Well, it said don't use oil, after I already sprayed WD-40 on it. Pull it in! Wow! Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use those and some vice grips. Maybe that's the ticket. Oh, yeah, that was easy, actually. Oh, feel this. Feel how stiff that bead is. That's going to be so hard to put on here. This bead is way stiffer than a motorcycle bead. Like, way stiffer. I want to feel this. No, they're equal, I'd say. Maybe I'm just a bitch. Okay. I gotta get this fucking thing on there. Whose idea was this? Idiot. The guy said you don't need spoons to put it on, but I beg to differ, guy. Fucking YouTubers. Oh, come on. It just pushes the thing away. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Is it because I'm using a car tire? You push down there. Oh my god.
Oh, that was close. Right?
Yeah. Okay, hold that. Oh yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, we got it. A little bit. Now we gotta get this. We're just gonna work it in.
Yes! Yes! That's nice, man. That's fucking nice.
You spit everywhere.
I don't care, man. You spit on all sorts of stuff.
Oh, nice. Best friends, buddy.
Oh.
We're so close, buddy.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
That was insane.
I can't believe that.
I didn't think we were gonna get her, to be honest. I had a little bit of lack of faith there for a bit.
I don't know if this is gonna work either. A guy's gotta throw some brake clean in there, I think. Hey? Have you ever seen that? Where the guy spray brake clean and then light it and it goes.
Oh, yeah. No.
Why? Why not?
Okay, go ahead, son.
Is that the move?
Maybe.
But a little brake clean's not gonna blow us up, right?
Are you asking me or telling me?
Yeah. Come on. Roll up. No, it didn't work. Okay. Like the video said, just the right amount of starting fluid. Don't try this, but this is how you do this. Oh god. Oh! It just lights on fire! Okay. Ooh!
It's just on fire now, Cole.
Well, it was the brake clean on the ground that lit. It smells like burning rubber, though.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm gonna stop that.
You're done with that.
I'm done with that, yeah. We got it on there. It's pretty cool looking. It is wider than 4.5. I measured it. The top is about 5 inches, and the sidewall does stick out quite a bit. So, but I think with how tall it is, it actually works. I really like the look of this thing. My friend Brett had to put this on for me. He works at Ford. He had to put it on and off about 3 times. He had to keep popping it down. Tons of lube, bunch of grease. Try it again. Finally, after the 3rd time, he put about 70 pounds of pressure in here, and it finally popped the bead. I got one small leak. So it's been about a week since we checked this last. Yeah, that's like tiny, tiny little bubbles here. So that's as much as it's leaking out of just one spoke. I don't think this is going to be a problem. I'm going to go ahead and run this. And if I find that it keeps dropping air, then I'll pull the tire, clean the inside, I'll re-silicone it, put this on again. It was a very big pain in the ass, so I won't be doing that again. I'll take it to a place to get them to pop it on and off. But I'll look into different ways of maybe sealing this from the outside. If you have any good idea, let me know. I could probably something thin, maybe even like super glue or some sort of Loctite just to drop in there. I'll take the pressure out, see if anything will drop in there. I'm curious to see how much pressure this lost. Oh yeah, it definitely lost pressure. So we're just sitting over 20 pounds now, and there was 30 in here, and that's after a week. If you like that video, like and subscribe, tell your friends. Follow me on Instagram, it's just Cole Yellowbird. I post lots of updates on there. Thanks for watching me and Andy struggle to get this wheel on.